Welcome to Right Style Cooking TV. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. I appreciate your viewership. Today we are going to do a teriyaki sauce recipe. In that container we have 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 cloves garlic crushed, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a tablespoon vinegar. That's the ingredients. Got the vinegar, vegetable oil, soy sauce, the ketchup, we got the 2 cloves garlic crushed inside already, and we have black pepper, brown black pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna stir all of this together nice and slow, nice and easy. This teriyaki sauce can be used in many dishes. It can be used with vegetables, it can be used as a dip, and it can also be used to marinate meat. It's originally a Chinese, or say Oriental sauce. This is the lovely teriyaki sauce. It enhances the flavor of many recipes. This is supposed to be mixed thoroughly. All the ingredients supposed to be mixed out. How lovely it looks. I have a teriyaki sauce recipe coming up shortly. Like I said before, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. I appreciate your viewership. I'd also appreciate you viewing the videos from beginning to end. I also have an announcement, and I'm very excited. I'm very close to 100 subscribers. Also, I'm very close to 1,000 views. I thank you very much, and I appreciate you a lot. Thanks again, and I'll repeat for the third time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Okay, I've reached the consistency. For the teriyaki sauce. Smells so good. Now it's looking better. So as you see, the teriyaki sauce is quick and easy. Thank you. Thanks again for viewing my video. I appreciate you a lot, because without you, there wouldn't be a me on YouTube right now. I appreciate everybody that's viewing my videos, sharing and commenting. Thank you. Please look out for my next video. It will be coming up shortly. Thanks again. I appreciate you all.